Hi everyone, I am Sushmitha, first year B.Ed student. My major is English at Dr. SNS College of Education. I chosen the topic tenses. Tenses is the form of a verb that shows the time something happened or is going to happen. Tenses is derived from the Italian word tempo, which means time. There are three types of tenses. One is present tense, second is past tense, and the third one is future tense. First one is present tense. This is also divided into four: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. And the first one is simple present. We use simple present in order to express an action which is habitual, universal truth, vivid narrative, programs, newspaper heading, exclamatory sentence, beginnings with here and there, quotations at near future. Statement: subject plus verb plus objective plus time. Example: I write a letter. She works in London. He goes to school. And the second one is present continuous. We use present continuous tense in order to express an action which is going on at the time of speaking. We also use present continuous tense in order to express a temporary action and also express an immediate future action. Statement: subject plus ing form plus verb plus objective. Example: she is dancing. I'm closing the door. She is crying. The third one is present perfect. We use present perfect tense in order to express an action which is just completed, and also use present perfect tense in order to express an action when the result of the actions is more important than the action itself. We also use the present perfect tense when we do not know the time of action. Statement: subject plus has or have plus V3 plus objective. Example: I have written a letter. He has made a cake. And the fourth one is present perfect continuous. We use present perfect continuous tense in order to express an action which has already begun in the past and still going on. Statement: subject plus has or have plus been plus ing plus verb plus objective. Example: I have been teaching since morning. She has been working on this project for a week. So the second tense is past tense, expressing an actions that has happened or a state that previously excited. It is also divided into four: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Simple past: we use simple past tense in order to express an action which is over. Statement: subject plus V2 plus objective plus time. Example: I saw her yesterday. India got independence on 15th August 1947. We drank water in the morning. And the second tense is past continuous. We use past continuous tense in order to express a continuous action at a point of the time in the past. Statement: subject plus was a verb plus ing form of mean verb plus objective. Example: I was teaching. Sam was writing a letter. And the third one is past perfect. Past perfect tense is used in order to express an actions which took place in the distant past. It is also used to express the earlier of the past two events. Statement: subject plus had plus V3 plus objective. I had written a letter. I had played the football. The fourth one is the last one, past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous tense is used in order to express a continuous action in the past and it will be concluded in the past. Statement: subject plus had plus been plus ing form of main verb plus objective. Example: I had been writing a letter till morning. He had been studying all day. And the third one is future tense. The future tense of a verb expresses event or action that have not yet happened and that will happen at some point in future. And there are four types: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. And the first one is simple future. Simple future tense assert a future action or it gives constant for an action or it offers to do an action. Statement: subject plus will or shall plus simple form of verb plus objective. That is, for example, I will go tomorrow. I will return her book and they will stay outside. And the second one is future continuous. This tense is used to indicate a short term continuous action in future statement. Subject plus will or shall plus be plus ing form of main verb plus object. Example, they will be studying. I will be doing to the school. I will be going to the school at 8 a.m. tomorrow. And third one is future perfect. We use future tense in order to express an action which is expected to be completed in future statement. Subject plus will or shall plus have plus v3 plus objective. Example, I will have written a letter. I shall have reached the school before the bell rings. I will have slept 8 hours. So the future perfect continuous tense. This tense is rarely used. It is used to mention an action which had begun in past, continuing still and will continue into the future statement. Subject plus will or shall plus have been plus ing form main verb plus object. Example, I shall have been sleeping. I will have been cooking dinner before you come home. And thank you.